I'm gonna break the mold. I ain't never gonna listen to you, it's getting old. I don't care if you think it's true, we're gonna shine. Fight for what I believe, you're gonna waste time, you never didn't listen to me. I'm gonna take that moment in life. I can tell by the look in your eye, you better make time. I'm gonna change your mind. Are you ready to believe it? But when you win, there's something new, because you used to live and breathe it. And now I'm leaving without you, that's all I ever needed. And now I'm lying on the floor, I don't care if you believe it, I'll prove you wrong for sure. Never tell me no, I'm getting sick and tired of hearing you lose. I'm gonna win, knock down, get it back up again. You better watch out, now I got my eye on the prize. You think you're funny, man, you got your head in the sky. I don't really care if you're on my side. It's funny how this is gonna be a surprise. Denial, la 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 la. Are you ready to believe it? But when you into something new, because you used to live and breathe it. And I'm leaving without you, that's all I ever needed. And I'm lying on the floor, I don't care if you believe it, I'll prove you wrong, sure. I don't care if you believe me, I'm gonna turn you on. I don't care if you believe me, I'm gonna turn you on. 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 Are you ready to believe it? But when you into something new, because you used to live and breathe it. And I'm leaving without you, it's all I ever needed. And I'm lying on the floor, I don't care if you believe it, I'll prove you wrong, sure. Are you ready to believe it? Or when you into something new, because you used to live and breathe it. And I will leave it without you, it's all I ever needed. And now I'm lying on the floor, I don't care if you believe it, I'll prove you wrong for sure. Cozy.
Yeah.
Okay, so welcome to In Bed With Steiner and Madlaina and Sunset Suns. Question time. So first question for everyone is, what happened last night?